Head over to the Start menu, type in Index, click Indexing Options. Once here, you're probably not going to see the places that you're wanting to search. So you're going to click Modify and select all of the drives and locations that you want Windows to search. Then hit OK. Now you're going to want to go to Advanced and then click File Types and click Index Properties and File Contents. Then you can hit OK. Now that that's done, Windows will start indexing all of the items within the folders and drives that you previously selected. This can take up to a few hours depending on the size of the drives, numbers of files, and how fast your PC is.